there are ways or process to get into this one. They said, let us know when you disagree with the decision to remove your content. First, on your Facebook profile menu or even a page, you can tap this 3 parallel lines which is placed in top right of the Facebook menu. Then you can scroll down and tap the help and support. Then tap the support inbox. Open the message that they sent to you regarding the content that is taken down. Then if you see the option, then you can tap the disagree with decision. After they review your content, you will receive a notification that will let you know if your content is back on FB or if they confirmed